MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I want to walk you through this new trade we just got in. This is a 2020 Manitou 23-foot Triton with trailer included. So, like I said, it is a Triton. We got the nice docking lights. Got the new flooring for pontoons. We got the nice gray accent with the black in the middle. This does have an electric bimini, so press a button, it goes up and out, and then press the button, it goes back down. So again, 23-foot Manitou. We come to the back here, we got lots of space back here when you're hanging out, anchored somewhere. We got the nice four-step ladder, stainless steel. We've got some doors in here that keep it enclosed so you can sit back here while it's moving. And then I'll talk about the engine real quick. So this is an Evinrude, 150 horsepower with the stainless steel prop. This boat gives you plenty of power to go skiing, tubing, or whatever else you want to do on it. So a lot of stuff in the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 23-foot Manitou. So we'll take a look at the layout. We've got the nice L-shaped seating here with the table, so nice and easy to sit around it. You got a table right here, a couple cup holders. You've got some nice seating facing back this way. We got some storage underneath the seats and back into here. On the back side, we got a nice bench on the back with a backrest. And then that backrest can actually be taken down and it can be turned into kind of a sunbathing area. So that's kind of cool. And then you do have those doors like I mentioned before, so it is legal to sit back there while the boat is in motion. All right, now to the helm. So we've got this nice captain's chair here. It's got the armrests that pop up and down. It spins, it goes forward and back, and it does the backrest, moves back and forth as well. Obviously you got your steering wheel right there. We got our throttle right here for that 150 Evinrude that's in the back, start button there. And then we do have a Garmin display touch screen, so you can control a lot of information right from that touch screen. There isn't other lighting options, so you can hit the button on the side there that turns on the lights. You can see the lights are on the speakers, they're in the cup holders, and it's just an LED blue lighting throughout the boat. Kind of a cool vibe there. So this is a kicker stereo system. So you can, you got Bluetooth, you can hook up and all your phones. So it's kind of nice to have. We've got cup holders up here. We've got more seating around here. We've got storage underneath there. Got storage in the floor. So for a 23-foot boat, you can bring on a bunch of different people, have a good time. Again, this is a 2020 23-foot Manitou with trailer included, roughly 66 hours on it. So not very little hours on it, and with 150 Evinrude electric bimini. This thing's ready to go. It's here at our Rogers location, so if you want to stop by and take a look at it, that'd be great. Otherwise, you can call us, you can set up an appointment to come see it. And as always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out on a daily basis.